Marbang shanniah tang Trai.
Because you only trust in the Lord.
But ki broke long tang Trai.
And everything is up to the Lord.
But bang slow long marway.
And she was feeling lonely.
Ngako ba pinduay lang bata ka jonga.
She want all of you to pray for her.
Kaying kasam ka jonga.
To pray for her family.
Bagan kala sa ublay, bagan pai sa
That they will
ublay.
turn to God.
Bat kajing im ka jonga.
And her life also.
Sibon nga im kajing kajing ole.
She had experienced many problems and difficulties.
Ngalamat kajing sabha perteng.
She had enjoyed the pleasures of the world,
Kung pikuay,
such as bitternut, Raja.
Trai mta.
But today,
Ng shanniah tang Trai.
she believed in the Lord.
Bat ngam le so ki baro.
And she will never do those things again.
Marbang ko abli im ka Trai.
Because she wants to live with the Lord.
Bat ngam ko abli ila chikmat.
And she wants to move ahead
Ngako abli piniging kasam.
and to show an example to the family.
Bat lang along tang ka kana ro.
Though she is still young,
Trai nga habat piniging
she has to
kasam.
show an example to the family.
Yay may pa.
To have parents.
Bagam do kan yu kmat ka jonga.
How that they can see that through her life.
Bat kan bot na.
They will follow her.
Duay lang na kabanta jonga.
Pray also for her
Bagaying kasam ka
and her
jonga.
family.
Bangan ang pelat yaw blay.
That she will not forget
Bagay
God.
shanniah bitang hu
But she
blay.
will trust only in Him.
Ki baro.
In everything.
Langit don hungno.
Though she may be anywhere,
Bagay shanniah bitang hu
that she
Trai.
will trust only in the Lord.
Bagay kan mau bajaw Trai.
And she will always remember Him.
Mga long ka Kristan.
Because she was a Christian. She's a
Rayang ko
Christian.
aban lang tang ka Kristan.
She
Rayang long
don't want just to become a Christian, but she wants to become a true Christian.
Tang nikten kanjat amen.
Only with these few words.
Thank you, sister.
The conclusion of the
Wonderful praise.